Today, we're going to learn about ecology and ecosystems.
Before we jump right into it, I would kindly ask you to subscribe for the channel to stay updated.
Ecology is the study of how living organisms interact with each other and their environment, including both the living things, like plants, animals, and microbes, and the non-living factors, like air, water, and climate. It helps us understand how ecosystems work, how species coexist, and how changes in the environment affect life on Earth. Key concepts: organisms. These are individual living things, such as plants, animals, and fungi. Populations, groups of the same species living in a certain area. Communities, different populations of species living together and interacting in one place. Ecosystems, the whole system, where communities of organisms interact with each other and their environment. Biosphere, all the ecosystems on Earth together. Types of ecology are: first one is autecology, studies how individual species interact with their environment. Then, synecology, looks at how different species in a community interact. Third one is behavioral ecology, focuses on how animal behavior is shaped by ecological factors. Fourth one is population ecology, examines how populations grow, shrink, and interact. Last one is conservation ecology, works on protecting biodiversity and ecosystems. Now, let's talk about ecosystems. An ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of living organisms with their environment. These ecosystems can be huge, like forests and oceans, or very small, like a puddle of water. Ecosystem components are biotic and abiotic components. In biotic components, living things like plants, producers, animals, consumers, and decomposers, bacteria and fungi that break down dead matter. In abiotic components, non-living parts, such as sunlight, temperature, soil, air, and water. Types of ecosystems are: ecosystems can be terrestrial, land-based, like forests and deserts, or aquatic, water-based, like lakes and oceans. There are also artificial ecosystems, like gardens or urban environments. Functions of an ecosystem. First one is energy flow. Producers capture energy from the sun and pass it through the food chain. Second, nutrient cycling. Decomposers break down dead matter, returning important nutrients to the soil for plants to use. Third one, habitat provision. Ecosystems provide homes and food for organisms. Last one is pollination and seed dispersal. Many species help pollinate plants or spread seeds, which is important for plant reproduction. Why is ecology important? First one, biodiversity. Ecosystems support many different species, which helps maintain balance and stability. Next one, human impact. Understanding how ecosystems work helps us solve environmental problems like pollution and deforestation. Last one, sustainability. Studying ecology helps us learn how to protect ecosystems and ensure that they can continue to support life. Key ecological processes: photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight to make their food, which is the foundation of most ecosystems. Predation. One organism hunts another, affecting population sizes. Competition. Species compete for limited resources, like food or space. Symbiosis. Species live together and interact, which can be beneficial, harmful, or neutral. Succession. Ecosystems change over time, from bare ground to a fully developed community of organisms. In conclusion, studying ecology and ecosystems helps us understand how life on Earth is connected. By learning about these interactions, we can better protect our environment and ensure that all species, including humans, can thrive.